Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I will be unboxing my October Wild Hare kits. This month I received the Petite kit from them, which is their smaller $20 kit, and I'm so excited. This month I told her to surprise me. I said there are so many new fall collections that I absolutely love that I would love anything she put together for me. So I really let her take all the lead on creating my kit this month, and I didn't really put any input into it, and I could not be more thrilled with what I received. So again, this is the smaller kit, and how I will end up using this is I will mix it with leftovers from my kit from last month to try to use up more of that stuff that has a fall theme, and I could totally complete a few projects on their own just using this kit too. So here is what the Petite kit looks like, the one that I received this month. The first thing that we have is this One Canoe 2 Willow Collection Ephemera kit. And this ephemera pack comes with so many beautiful shapes in it. I will probably grab these all out at the end and show you, but there are little birds and butterflies and so many beautiful colors for fall. I love it. And then we've got these enamels by Pink Paisley, and these are gorgeous. These gold ones are actually like mirror reflective, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's really cool, and the colors are just stunning. And then we have this thicker phrase pack, and this phrase pack is called Home. I'm not sure which collection it comes with, but if I had to guess, I would guess it's either the new Pink Paisley one or the One Canoe 2. I guess it could be the new Jen Hadfield too. Who knows? That's one thing I wish the thicker packs would do, that they would put what collection it comes from on there. But look at how gorgeous these are. I'm actually going to open it up for you so you can see this copper in all of its glory. So it's this beautiful copper foil on all of these phrases and the leaves, and we've got beautiful little flowers here too. Just me and you, family time, memories together. And these are actually quite thin. You could use these in a Bible journaling spread. You could use them in a traveler's notebook. You can use them in Project Life, and it wouldn't bulk it up like regular thickers do. So I am really loving that a lot, and I cannot wait to use this. This is probably one of my all-time favorite thicker phrase packs I have ever seen, and you guys know I love a good phrase sticker pack, so I cannot wait to dive into these gorgeous ones. And then on the back here, we've got another sheet of them with more flowers and leaves and phrases on it. Lots of beautiful things there. And this is just so versatile. You can use these for fall pages. You can use them for other seasons. You can use them for like a family themed mini album, making memories. We've got one on here, happy birthday. Like you could make a card with it. And I feel like for one pack of stickers, like you really get bang for your buck with this one. Like you can do so much with it, and it's so beautiful. So I'm really excited about that. And then we've got a few papers for the month here. I received this one by Willow. This paper is called Flourish, and I love all the pinks and the purples, and the back of it looks like this. And then we've got this Jen Hadfield paper, which I think is so pretty. This is called the This Is Family collection, and this paper is called Bits and Pieces, and you can see there's so many beautiful things you can cut out, and I'm just loving the rainbows, and I love these colors so much. These have been my colors lately, y'all. Like, you have seen some layouts that I have done. I'm really into the 70s peach, pink, red, and orange lately. So that's that side of this paper, and then the back of it looks like that. And then we've got this paper from Pink Paisley's collection called Again and Again. It's got flowers on one side, and it's got this pattern on the back, and this is called paper number 8. And then the very last paper that I received in my kit this month is a paper called Happy Home from the Willow collection. And this is just a beautiful cut apart. Now and then it's good to pause in the pursuit of happiness and just be happy. I love that so much, and I love this with all those flowers and this and all of it. It's so pretty. And then the back of it is this beautiful kind of acrylic or watercolor dark green tealish paper. So pretty. And as you can see here, just these colors are totally my jam, and I am obsessed. And I'll show you really quick all of the die cuts that come in here. We've got a beautiful butterfly. It comes with a couple of birds, which I love. We've got the copper foiling there. It says full of joy. Love this. Replenish. Got a couple of different shapes, more butterflies, some tags and phrases. Take time to make your soul happy. Another gorgeous bird. I love birds, you guys. Or rather, I love them in my scrapbooking. Simple pleasures. Butterfly. Got a beautiful vase here. This one says find joy in the ordinary. Got a little checklist. Rest up, and a foiled tag. Silhouette of a girl. Be still. I go to nature to be soothed and healed and to have my senses put in tune once more. Really beautiful. Rest easy. Love that. I can imagine doing a lot of Bible journaling with this, and all of the phrases. How pretty is that floral? All the phrases about just refreshing and resting and taking enjoyment in the simple things in life. So pretty. Love that. This is our happy place. Got a frame, more ephemera. Some old-fashioned things like fresh air and sunshine are hard to beat. So pretty. So that is all of the ephemera that came in that pack. Lots of beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to dive into this kit and use it. And I've pulled a couple of things from my kit from last month so you can see how well that this is going to go with my kit from last month. Here are some of the little pieces I've cut out from my kit last month. Again, do you see how these colors go so well together? And they're from two different collections. I've got tons of these little moths I cut out. Like, that's just gonna go so well. So I cannot wait to use this kit in the month of October, and I love that it's a smaller kit. It's gonna give me the chance to use up more of it and to combine it with my last month's kit and really make some incredible projects and really enjoy some of these new fall collections that are out right now. I absolutely love my kit this month. I will link the Wild Hare kits down below if you want to check them out and get a fully customized hand curated kit for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you later.